recent incident shed light on a critical issue that often goes unnoticed: the consequences of not paying attention while driving. Even when there seems to be ample space to maneuver, a moment of distraction can lead to unexpected collisions. This serves as a powerful reminder that staying alert is not just important, it's vital for every driver on the road. Now, picture this. A driver suddenly bends down to pick something up from the floor just as an accident occurs. This seemingly innocent act can raise suspicions of insurance fraud in the wake of a collision. It underscores the urgent need for vigilance among all drivers, as even the smallest lapse in attention can have significant repercussions. In the world of driving, emotions run high, and sometimes they spill over in dangerous ways. Take, for example, a case of road rage where a teenager aggressively harasses another driver. This moment not only exemplifies how anger can cloud judgment, but also illustrates how quickly tensions can escalate, potentially leading to serious consequences on the road. It's crucial to remember that traffic signals hold immense significance in maintaining road safety. These lights are not mere suggestions. They are vital tools, ingeniously designed to prevent accidents and protect everyone traveling on the road. Ignoring them is to ignore the rules of safety. Moreover, staying aware of one's surroundings is essential. Drivers must always anticipate the unexpected actions of others, as these actions could be the difference between a smooth ride and a dangerous situation. Awareness creates a safer driving environment for everyone. Recording incidents on the road can become a lifesaver. In the event of disputes or legal scrutiny following an accident, having evidence can clarify the situation. It enhances accountability and promotes a sense of justice, ensuring that the truth comes to light. On another note, we cannot overlook the dangers posed by alcohol consumption. It dramatically impairs driving abilities, as speculations about a drunk driver illustrate. The risk of accident skyrockets when drivers make the reckless choice to get behind the wheel after drinking. Aggressive driving behaviors, like sudden lane changes without signaling, often result in near misses and crashes. Patience and caution must reign supreme behind the wheel. Creating a safer road environment starts with every individual's commitment to those values. Distractions can manifest in many forms, such as the act of forgetting to use turn signals. Such oversights can lead to dangerous situations. Proper signaling is not just a matter of courtesy. It's essential for clear communication among drivers, preventing collisions and ensuring everyone's safety. The appropriate use of a horn in traffic can be quite significant. It can communicate both danger and frustration effectively. However, misunderstanding such signals can escalate tensions, highlighting the need for clarity and appropriate reactions while driving. Throughout this narrative, a recurring theme emerges: personal accountability. Drivers are reminded that a respectful approach towards others on the road resonates with self-respect and responsibility. It's a call to behave with integrity in an environment where our actions have a profound impact. Finally, the video vividly illustrates how careless driving behaviors, such as running red lights and tailgating, contribute to alarming road conditions. These actions not only endanger lives, but often provoke confrontations between drivers. It's a stark reminder that every choice matters in the grand tapestry of road safety.